What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the use of electronically delivered text, images, video, sound, and animation. It's everywhere from websites and video games to online learning platforms, movies, and podcasts. Example of multimedia: interactive website, television, online videos, film, and radio. What is ICT? Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, include all devices and applications like phones, computers, and satellites used to store, process, and share information. IT focuses on electronic equipment while CT deals with the exchange of information. Example of ICT: Internet, wireless network, cell phone, software, and computer. Uses of multimedia and ICT in different fields. Education. Multimedia and ICT enhance teaching and learning through interactive tools like smartboards, educational videos, and online learning platforms. And business. ICT supports communication, data management, and online transaction, while multimedia is used in advertising, presentation, and customer engagement. In healthcare, ICT is used for managing patient records, telemedicine, and medical imaging, while multimedia helps in the medical training and health awareness campaign. In a world driven by information and innovation, multimedia and ICT are not just tools. They are the bridge to a smarter, more connected future.